Every dress restoration isn't the same. This dress is being restored so that it can be put on display in a local museum. And because of the cleaning techniques we had to use in order to reverse the extreme oxidation, it creates a new problem that we must now correct. The satin fabric has become heavily wrinkled, and because of how this dress is made, we are not able to iron every part of the dress. This forces us to remove the front sash so that we can iron those sections individually. We begin by laying each section flat on the press, so Bill can hand iron out all the wrinkles using his steam iron. He then uses the vacuum to pull the moisture out of the fabric, which sets the press. On the next section of fabric, Bill has to be extra careful because these sequins are very heat sensitive, which requires him to use less steam. Now, as you can see, he is quick with the iron using a very light touch in order to prevent the sequins from melting. Once this dress is put back together, it will once again look as it did when it was worn on stage in a Miss Oklahoma pageant in the 1940s.